Think you know sharks? Think again! Forget the movie cliches. Sharks are the original hipsters, swimming around before trees, dinosaurs, or even dirt. They've survived for hundreds of millions of years, picking up some wild habits along the way. Today, we're diving deep, no snorkel needed, into 10 jaw-dropping shark facts that will blow your mind. We're talking glowing sharks, walking sharks, and even sharks that fit in your pocket. Get ready for some jawsome surprises. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Sharks existed before trees. Seriously, shark fossils date back over 400 million years. That's before forests, before birds, before dirt as we know it. The continents were one big landmass, and sharks were already cruising the oceans. They've survived 5 mass extinctions. Talk about ultimate survivors. When you see a giant redwood, remember, sharks were ancient history before that tree's ancestors even sprouted. They've seen the rise and fall of dinosaurs and outlasted countless other species. Sharks are living fossils, the OGs of the animal kingdom. Next time you're at the beach, remember, those fins out there belong to creatures with a family tree older than actual trees. It's humbling and pretty cool. Sharks just keep swimming, adapting, and thriving. They're the ultimate reality show winners of evolution. So let's move on to the next wild shark fact. On to the next fact. Fact 2. Some sharks glow in the dark. That's right. Species like the swell shark and chain cat shark are bioluminescent. They produce their own light, turning the deep sea into their personal disco. This glow isn't just for show, it helps them communicate, find mates, and even hunt in the pitch-black ocean. Their glowing patterns are unique, like underwater fingerprints. Imagine being a tiny fish and seeing a glowing shark approach. Spooky. For sharks, it's a brilliant hunting and survival strategy. For us, it's proof that nature loves a good light show. Some even use their glow to camouflage from predators below. Sharks, ancient, practical, and stylish. Forget nightlights. These sharks light up the ocean floor. They're living proof that the deep sea is full of surprises. So next time you think of sharks, picture a glowing, swimming nightlight. They're legends of the deep. Let's keep going. What a bunch of absolute legends. Fact 3. Sharks have a sixth sense, electroreception. Special organs called the ampullae of Lorenzini let them detect tiny electrical fields from living things. Every heartbeat, every muscle twitch in the water sends out a signal, and sharks can sense it. It's like having a built-in fish detector or X-ray vision for electricity. They can find prey buried under sand, hunt with mind-blowing precision, and even navigate using Earth's magnetic field. This sense is so sensitive, they can detect a charge as small as a few billionths of a volt. Humans need fancy gadgets for this, sharks are just born with it. While we fumble for the light switch, sharks read the ocean's energy. They're not just predators, they're the superheroes of the sea. Forget comic books, the real action heroes are swimming right under our noses. Sharks reading the ocean's energy, one heartbeat at a time. That's a superpower worth respecting. Let's see what else makes sharks so incredible. On to the next fact. The real action heroes are swimming right under our noses. Fact 4. The world's smallest shark can fit in your hand, the dwarf lantern shark. Fully grown, it's just 6 to 8 inches long, smaller than a banana. It lives deep off Colombia and Venezuela, glowing with light-emitting organs to camouflage from predators. It's a tiny, glowing ninja of the deep sea. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes. Not all are giant, scary monsters. Some are just little dudes making their way in the big ocean. Nature's sense of humor, right? Fact 5. Sharks lose thousands of teeth in their lifetime, up to 30,000 or more. Their teeth are arranged in conveyor belt rows, so when one falls out, another moves forward. No dentist needed, just endless, razor-sharp replacements. Some sharks can replace a lost tooth in just 24 hours. The ocean floor is littered with shark teeth, which is why you can find them on the beach. Sharks always have perfect teeth, ready for their next meal. It's one reason they've survived so long. While we worry about dental bills, sharks just keep grinning. The tooth fairy? She's probably terrified. Sharks, the ultimate dental success story. Always ready for a photo op or a snack. That's one more reason to respect these ocean legends. Let's keep going. Fact 6. The two biggest sharks, the whale shark and basking shark, are gentle giants. The whale shark is the world's largest fish, growing up to 60 feet, but it's a harmless filter feeder. It swims with its mouth wide open, filtering plankton and tiny fish. The basking shark, almost as big, does the same, just cruising and snacking on microscopic food. Despite their size and thousands of teeth, they're completely chill. Swimming with a whale shark is a breathtaking, peaceful experience. These sharks defy the scary monster stereotype. The shark family is incredibly diverse, from tiny lantern sharks to these massive, peaceful plankton eaters. Not all sharks are hunters. Some are just oceanic gentle giants. They remind us that shark doesn't always mean danger. It's a family with everything from Navy SEALs to Buddhist monks. Sharks, more than meets the eye. Let's see what other surprises they have. On to the next fact. Fact 7. Some sharks can walk on land, sort of. Meet the epaulette shark, the parkour expert of the shark world. When the tide goes out, it uses its fins like legs to wriggle across exposed coral and rocks, moving from one tide pool to another. It can survive for hours with very little oxygen, shutting down parts of its body to conserve energy. Imagine being a crab and seeing a shark walk toward you. Nightmare fuel. This unique skill lets the epaulette shark thrive where others can't. Sharks aren't just open ocean predators, they're adaptable survivors. If you ever see a fish out for a stroll, it might just be an epaulette shark. Sharks, always finding new ways to surprise us. Adaptability is their superpower. Let's keep moving. On to the next fact! Fact 8. Sharks have been to space. Well, their DNA has. Scientists study shark genes and immune systems because sharks heal fast and resist many diseases. NASA sent shark-derived genes to the International Space Station to learn how they work in microgravity. Shark biology could help protect astronauts on long missions. So while no great white has floated in zero-G, shark DNA has orbited Earth. Sharks are helping us explore the final frontier. From ancient oceans to outer space, sharks are everywhere. That's out of this world cool. Fact 9. Sharks can be hypnotized. It's called tonic immobility. Flip certain sharks, like tiger or lemon sharks, onto their backs, and they go limp, almost like they're asleep. This trance can last up to 15 minutes and is a natural phenomenon. Scientists use it to safely study and tag sharks without tranquilizers. It's a rare glimpse of vulnerability in these apex predators. Even the toughest creatures sometimes need a nap. Tonic immobility, nature's off switch for sharks. Just don't try it yourself. Sharks full of surprises, even when they're chilling out. Let's wrap up with the most important fact. Fact 10. Sharks are vital for healthy oceans. As apex predators, they keep the food web balanced by preying on the sick and weak. They act as nature's quality control, preventing disease and keeping fish populations strong. Many are scavengers, cleaning up carcasses and recycling nutrients. Their presence shapes entire ecosystems, protecting habitats like seagrass beds and coral reefs. When sharks disappear, the whole system unravels. Far from villains, sharks are the ocean's guardians. They've kept the seas healthy for 400 million years. Respect, admire, and protect them. Our planet needs sharks. A healthy ocean needs sharks. Let's give them the credit they deserve. That's a wrap! 10 jaw-dropping facts that prove sharks are some of the most incredible, misunderstood animals on Earth. From ancient survivors to walking wonders, sharks are full of surprises. What was your favorite fact? Let us know in the comments. If you loved these jawsome facts, hit subscribe for more fin-tastic videos. Like, comment, and share your favorite shark fact below. Until next time, stay curious.